choice today with the 2020 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, rear wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.